Time 106.6. This is Phil James's Breakfast for Tuesday, and of course we've got some special guests in the studio with us today from Zippo Circus, appearing at the Theatre Royal in Windsor until Sunday.
Absolutely.
Get your tickets in soon. We've got Anne and Dave and Tweety the Clown in the studio at the moment. And just before the news headlines at 8:30, Anne gave us a lovely demonstration, ably assisted by Tweety the Clown, of some top acrobatics, and Blondie, it's now your turn.
Aerobics, we can do aerobics.
Acrobatics.
Upside down.
So let me just describe the scene in the studio. We're videoing this. We'll put this up on the website later on. Tweety the Clown is on his back, led down. Blondie is about to put her hands on his knees.
We're going to fall over.
Shoulders on his hands.
Shoulders on my hands.
Shoulders on his hands. 1 second, Blondie, while we catch your feet.
Don't stop, I can't stop.
Okay.
Oh, it's graceful. She's up in the air. She's up. Yay! There we go, Blondie.
She did it. Fantastic.
She did it. I can't believe it.
Let me join.
What are you doing at 3 o'clock this afternoon? Come and do the show with us.
Can I reach
tell you
a
what.
piece?
Yeah, do that.
All-time favorites, Time 106.6.